Hey guys, and thank you for joining me. So in today's video we are going to create a classic smoky eye inspired by Kareena Kapoor. I wanted to create this look for a very long time, but somehow the video got delayed. But here I'm going to create it today, and I'm very happy. So if you want to achieve that same look, then please continue watching. And also there is a giveaway running on my channel. If you haven't seen that, click on the card button to know about the giveaway, and let's get started with the video now.
I'm going to start with filling my brows. I'm using a dual-ended brush which has a angle brush on one side and the spoolie on the other. So first I'm making an outline with the help of the angle brush, and with the help of the product I'm filling it. Brows make such a difference. You can yourself see the difference between both the brows.
Now we are moving to the face directly, and for that I'm going to take a Colorbar Perfect Match Primer. All the areas where I have a larger pores. And for foundation today I'm going to use a M.A.C Studio Fix foundation in the shade NC40. I'm just going to pour in my back of my hand. Our foundation is well blended. Now we are moving to the concealer next, and for that I'm going to use a M.A.C Prolonged Wear concealer. This is in the shade NC40 again. Just to further brighten up my face, I'm going to use a Makeup Revolution concealer which is in the shade C6. I'm just going to place all the areas where I need a little bit of brightening. Next I'm going to cream contour because Kareena has very high cheekbones. It's very chiseled looking skin, and to achieve that I'm going to use a LA Girl Pro Conceal. This is a concealer. This is in the shade Toast. I'm going to contour with this one. And to set my under eye concealer, I'm going to use a Colorbar loose powder. I'm just going to place it under my eyes. And all the areas where I've used a concealer, lighting concealer. And for my entire face, I'm going to use a M.A.C Studio Fix powder. This is in the shade NC40. This one right here. And I'm going to remove this powder. Next I'm going to use a bronzer, and for today I'm going to use the NYC Bronzer. This one right here. And for the blush I'm going to use a Mocha by M.A.C. And for highlighter, I'm going to use a Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Precious Petals. Now to set my entire face, I'm going to use a PAC setting spray. We are moving to the eyes directly, and for the eyeshadow base I'm going to use M.A.C Soft Ochre. I'm going to use it all over as an eye base. Now taking the gel liner in black, I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid. And quickly I'm going to blend the edges. Now taking the black eyeshadow from PAC Matte Eyeshadow Palette, this one right here, I'm going to apply it directly on the gel liner. But before that, I'm just going to place a powder under my eyes because I don't want any fallout under my eyes. That too a black pigment, which is very difficult to remove. Now to blend the eyeshadow further, I'm going to take this shade right here and blend this black color further. Taking a clean blending brush, again I'm blending it further. Now taking the black color further, just placing it on eyelid again. Because when you blend, the colors gradually fade. We don't want to lose the intensity, so we are just placing the black color again and then we are going to blend. And just to add a pop of grey or a gunmetal color, which you always have some kind of silver glitters or a pop of color on the middle of the eyes. And for that I'm gonna use a Swiss Beauty, this is a liquid eyeshadow. I'm just gonna take it in the back of my hand, this much right here. I'm taking a flat shader brush and I'm going to apply it directly on the middle section of my eye. So adding just a little bit of color on the middle of the eye, it has taken the look to the other level. And for the lower lash line, I'm going to take the Sugar Heavy Duty Kohl. I'm going to apply it directly on the waterline. And I'm going to smudge it further just to balance the entire look. And for the inner corner, I'm going to use the same highlighter. I'm going to do this eye quickly, I'm going to come back. When Kareena go for these kind of smoky eyes, she doesn't go for a eyeliner or a liquid liner, but this look is definitely calling for a falsies. So I'm just going to apply a falsies now. I'm going to put mascara on my lower lash line. And just to balance out the entire look, I'm going to use a nude lip liner. And for the lipstick, I have applied a matte liquid lipstick from the Lime Crime. This is in the shade Saint. And this is the liquid lipstick, and this is the finished look. And with that, we come to the end of this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload. And I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.